In this video, I am going to build my own chatbot without coding and host it on internet so anyone can access it. So whether you are in tech or not, this video will help you to build your own chatbot in just 5 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so I am here at my browser and I will search Chatbase. Okay, so you have to go in this site. Make sure you are on the right URL and then click on build your agent for free. After signing up, you will be in this type of page and you have to just follow the process and you have to upload your text of your detail of your business. But I have website, so I entered my website URL. Okay, you can select the what type of agent you want to build, but I will be selecting default. You can also select the text tag and then select where you want to deploy it, but I want to deploy on my personal website. Okay, so as you can see, the AI has trained on my data and I will continue for free. So as you can see, our chatbot is ready and I will just test that it gives correct answer. Okay, so as you can see, it has given all my details very correctly. So what we are going to do now is we will be deploying. So click on deploy. Then allow this button chat widget. Then go to manage. Okay, so here are the chat widget settings and you can do settings as you want. You can do all these settings and like that. Here is the message placeholder. And you can select light or dark mode. And here is the instructions. If you want to give your own, you can, but I will be going with default. Make sure to save changes. Okay, so here are the two options, chat widget or iframe. So I will be going with iframe because iframe will cover up all my site screen. And also you can use the default Chatbase URL and share with anyone like this. But what we are going to do is we are going to deploy this in our website. So I will going to Blogger and create my blog. Okay, after signing up, here I am at my dashboard and you have to go to themes. Okay, so after it you have to click on this and there will be switch to classic theme. So click on classic theme and then paste your iframe here. I will copy once more. Then click on save. Okay, so it's done now and my name of site is Humanoid LM. So make sure you enter right URL. As you can see, our chatbot is ready, and you can share your URL to anyone like that. It is giving good answer.